This is a very wet, wild bill. No JoJo at the minute. He wasn't on his camp trips. This is strictly way out in the woods, okay? About 1.5 miles from civilization, maybe 2. We are here on a weekend camping trip. This is just a prequel to the show for this season. This would be my campsite over here. That's where the wild man sleeps at night. A friend of my brother's. And I can show you my brother's mansion in just a minute. There's our dinner arrangements, breakfast arrangements. And this here is a massive tent over here for my brother. I would call this a pop-up, wouldn't you? Nothing but wilderness all around us. Hence why JoJo cannot possibly be here on this trip. Don't worry, we'll insert clips of JoJo and what he's doing for the weekend. I'm sure he's up to stuff, believe me. That's 1 2-year-old always up to stuff, okay? Alright, this is Wild Bill here to do what we came here to do, hike this here trail. That's exactly what we are going to do, rain or shine. So we are off to do the walking right now. Woohoo! Alright. Now. Come here. Uphill. Fucking pants. I wonder what animal lives in there. It's cold, gotta go. Oh, come on. He's running a race. We're almost there?
No, we're not.
Like they used to tell the kids, we're almost there. Whoa, snake hole. Up.
That way. This way.
Wait, we go the wrong way?
This is a blue marker.
Blue marker that way.
This way.
But is that the way back down, maybe? Blue marker this way, so she's wrong. That's back down. So it's this way or this way? It's marked both ways. It's marked this way and that way. Take your pick. Which way do you want to go?
That's what I'm saying, though. I'm looking for the next blue marker.
It's the first time a wild man blazed a new trail. many a trail in his life, so I could have sworn it was this way. Okay. Who's got the map? Wild Bill here again.
Hey, Wild Bill.
All right. On up the hill. Onward and upward.
So much people.
Long trip up the hill, my friends. Long trip up the hill. I've been promised a spectacular view at the other end of this, though, people. That's my main reason for doing all this. And it's not raining that hard. It's just raining a little. We would not be out here in the pouring rain, however. Yeah, we've seen a couple of the Mander families. Sal and Jim Mander. Yeah. Cold fingers wreaking havoc with my fingers on the buttons here, people. Hard to change from one direction, one camera to the other.
One camera to another.
It's hard to change.
The other camera says fuck off.
Nah, they all rely on your finger sensitive on the screen, and those lattice temperatures right now, it's pretty cold. That it is. It's not warm out here.
You're doing good, guys.
Not much to see in this part of the range, people. About way down the hill there. That's about it. The view doesn't happen until we get to the top. Little waterfall action here, people. Right now, this part of the waterfall is pretty dry. Small one's full of water over there, though. You can see the high water marks there. Yep. I see a lot of things I don't like here called snake holes. The only thing Wild Bill is afraid of in this world is snakes. He hates those. Okay. A little more of the water flow over there.
I don't know what you're calling it.
I don't have very good lenses yet, people.
Did you call it a monkey?
A mushy.
Oh, mushy.
No channel support yet, okay?
I've not come across any light ones.
No?
So all this comes out of my own pocket.
Wild Bill.
So, as soon as we have better equipment, we'll let you know. Know that, hang on. I'm showing the world that the snake holes really are there. I'm not making any of that up. There are snakes in the neighborhood, okay? Got it. There's a thing moving. Hopefully I'm on record.
I hope so too.
In case you want to see just what we are about to encounter. Okay. Times like these, I wish I had a wide angle lens, but I don't yet, people. All I have is one primitive camera.
Billy, turn your phone sideways.
Huh?
Turn it.
No, can't. That messes things up. You do that, it does. Well, can't cut. I had to cut the video out. One way or the other when you start it.
Don't worry.
I mean, could I have some more?
That is a beautiful view here, people. Very beautiful view. That's basically what we came up here for. The view.
No, that's not even it, Bill. This isn't even.
All right. This is for all you Wild Bill and JoJo fans. Here we go. Yes.
How's it looking, Wild Bill?
Like a hell of a climb. But we got to do it.
You got it.
We see you at the top, people. Can't show you the entire climb, sorry. Sorry, people. Once again, an epic fail. The view, because of the cloud cover, is not visible to really anything. You don't know how many stumbles and falls I took jetting up here, okay? So it's wise not to bring JoJo up this climb, let me tell you. You'll see him later. Ah, there, this is Wild Bill. We be at Kent Falls State Park in Connecticut. See if we can get us some pictures of the top of this one today. Inside the covered bridge at Kent Falls. This is at the lower part of the falls, just at the very beginning. Try to get us the falls over there. And if I have enough battery power, which I'm a little low on today, we'll try to get us to the top of the falls. Hopefully I'm recording this. I'm not sure. My battery is getting very, very low. This is Kent Falls at the lower end. Hopefully I'll get some pictures from the top. See if my phone will hold out. Okay, try to get you a view from the first overlook. Video from the second overlook. View from the third overlook. Still a long ways to go up. Alright, hopefully this is score one for Wild Bill. We made it to the top. Hopefully this video will come out. Alright. Hello there, this is Wild Bill here, recapping this weekend. Well, we had an attempt to go up with one mountain to get a view, which turned out a failure. But, you know, at the waterfall, it turned out to be pretty well successful. So I'd say that wraps it up for this adventure. This is Wild Bill. I'll catch you next adventure. This is Wild Bill here. at the outhouse. I want you all not to forget to flush. Okay?
Tina, I got Tina.
No Tina, no Tina, no Joe, no Tina. Just Joe.
Oh.
You playing Joe or what?
Oh.
Okay, what are you doing with the track?
Oh. Hurry! Hurry! Oh. Uh-oh.
Once again, Jojo and I are at play. This is Wild Bill. And of course, there is our friend Jojo. Whoa! Sorry about this. I'll have to edit some of this out. I wasn't watching my student here. My pupil. My pupil driving crazy now. Silly pupil being silly. Oh, hang on. This ain't working. Wild Bill and Jojo out for a stroll today. Having a quick, all right there, Joe. All right, don't be so feisty about it. Just trying to give you a little help there, buddy. Where are you trying to go? Where are we trying to go, Joe? Not in somebody's yard, that's for sure. Let's not go there. Back up the sidewalk. That'd be a good idea. You're hard to keep in the middle of the road. Wait, I was recording the first one. Where is it?